Hello and welcome back to AutoCAD Electrical Pro. Have you ever noticed that when you are looking at projects in AutoCAD Electrical, you can see the folder relating to the project, and then you can have subfolders that are part of the project, and you can see the DWG files, but that's pretty much it. You can't see anything else. If you have the curiosity to have a look at the folder that relates to this project, you can see that actually there are quite a few additional files present here. And I'm going to list them by type, make it potentially a little bit simpler, but the DWG files are the files that you can see in AutoCAD. So these are the drawings. That's fine. And then there are other files that are also present. So what are these files exactly? The WDP file is a text-based file, and it serves various functions. It links the DWG files in the project. It keeps project properties. It manages the structure of the files inside the project. So if it has subfolders, it will keep that information. It has sheet numbers. It keeps information on library paths, component and wiring tag formats, cross-referencing signal PLC styles, wire styles, ladder settings, and a few more. So it is really the most important file. This text file can be edited. However, it is much preferable to make the changes from within the AutoCAD Electrical software. WDT is a text file that is used specifically for the title block setup. It will map the project descriptions and drawing properties that you have defined to appear in the title block. The WDL file is simply an ASCII text file used to customize project description line labels in the project description dialog box. The AEPX file is created alongside the WDP project file, and it's used to support the link between AutoCAD Electrical and Autodesk Inventor if you do use interconnections between those two softwares. There are other files that you may come across as you use AutoCAD more regularly. .back is one of them. It is a drawing backup file that is automatically created sometimes, and it serves as a safety net against corruption of files. .err may show up. It is an error log created by AutoCAD Electrical that happens when there are some issues that it needs to process. .log is a plot log or command log. It is optionally created when you are creating a new plot. There are a few additional temporary files that you may see here and there, but these will have no impact on your workflow, so you can just go ahead and ignore those. These are the files that you will come across more frequently in AutoCAD Electrical projects. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.